One of our top picks in London, located in London's Dockland area, this hotel features direct access to the ExCel International Exhibition and Convention Centre. Offering sleek, stylish rooms with free Wi-Fi, it also has a gym, pool and lively bar with music performances 3 times per month. Featuring a 42-inch flat-screen TV and a signature bed, each spacious room at Aloft London ExCel also enjoys modern styling. Rooms all have a bathroom with a large shower, while the suites have a separate living area. Dogs can be accommodated, and the property can provide dog beds. Both Canary Wharf and the O2 Arena are 10 minutes away via the DLR and Tube, with Prince Regent DLR Station 100 metres from Aloft. London City Airport is less than a kilometre away. Docksider Restaurant is open for breakfast, lunch and dinner, and grab-go food is available as time is limited. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.